Hello and welcome, guys. This is Shuja here, and today I'm gonna give you a special surprise. Well, what is it? It's nothing but using the ChatGPT Premium, which is obviously ChatGPT version 4. So, previously, I was spending quite a hefty amount just to renew my subscription, but today I found a way to bypass their subscription model and use their use the same ChatGPT version 4 that you may be paying for right now. So, let's go ahead and see how you can do that. Well, the trick is easier than you might think. It's about using an official app from Microsoft themselves. And the best part about this tool is it's available in all the platforms, be it Windows, Macintosh, Android, or even iOS. Since I'm using Macintosh right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to use that on Macintosh. So to do that, go over to your computer keyboard and hit Command and space button simultaneously. Now type in App Store. So here from the left corner above on your screen, you'll find a search form and now write Copilot and select this one. And there you go. Here is the official app from Microsoft. Just hit this icon to download it, and depending on the internet speed of your ISP, it might take somewhere from 2 minutes to maybe 2 hours, who knows. And you might be wondering or maybe confused by seeing this message, which is designed for iPad, not verified for macOS. Don't worry about this message because I'm using Microsoft Copilot for a few hours, so it works perfectly on my computer. Just to show you, I uninstalled it and I'm currently reinstalling it to make this video. So now hit the open button. And there we have it. We have our brand new shiny ChatGPT 4 on our Macintosh. So now just hit the toggle bar to turn it on, and now you can use the tool just like you used it on your Chrome browser or any browser that you might be using. So now let's go ahead and sign into our account to save all the chat history so you don't lose them down the line. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert my own email address. Since I'm using you can log into your Microsoft account by using just your password, or you can also use this 2FA system, which is by using the Microsoft authentication app. So now you can just continue using this application by asking any question to Copilot. So let me ask ChatGPT with a question like, what is the current economic situation in the USA? So this tool generates images in its answers, which is great. And that was pretty much from this tutorial. Let's call it a day, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.